याद आया।
हाँ साहब, मैं बताता हूँ, उसका नाम है रॉबर्ट।
और उस आदमी का नाम क्या है?
Film requires it. I think the younger filmmakers and everyone, they know that we don't need to shun the song anymore. Of course, the commercial film, the summer blockbusters, they need to have that 5 film format. That's part of storytelling.